As the first light of dawn touches the earth, Obatala steps into the world. His presence is serene, his path illuminated by the light of wisdom and purity. He pauses, his eyes scanning the land. The world around him is still, awaiting his guidance, his calm presence. With graceful ease, Obatala raises his hands to the heavens, summoning divine light to shine down upon him and all who walk in his path. The gentle breeze stirs his robes, but his steps remain deliberate, flowing with purpose. Every movement he makes echoes peace, every step taken in harmony with the world. Obatala kneels, connecting with the earth beneath him. His touch brings calm to the land, as if the very ground is blessed by his purity. His eyes glow with timeless wisdom, seeing beyond the visible world. His gaze pierces the horizon, understanding the flow of the universe around him. In a quiet, peaceful gesture, Obatala raises his hand in a soft wave, a blessing for those who are near, a gesture of unity for all who feel his presence. As he walks through nature, his touch blesses the trees, the flowers, and the animals. His presence nourishes the earth, bringing life and light wherever he goes. Dark clouds gather overhead, but Obatala stands unwavering, his calm spirit bringing a sense of peace amidst the storm. He is the eye of the hurricane, the stillness within chaos. With each step, his footfalls are quiet, as though the earth itself is honoring him. He moves through the forest like a gentle breeze, unnoticed yet deeply felt. Radiance surrounds him, as if the light itself has chosen to follow him. He moves through the world, a beacon of purity and wisdom, casting a soft glow wherever he goes. Obatala stands still, his presence commanding yet peaceful. The world around him harmonizes with his energy. He is the embodiment of tranquility. Atop a mountain, Obatala surveys the vast landscape below. His eyes reflect the depth of understanding only the wisest can know. The land speaks to him, and he listens. By the tranquil river, Obatala dips his fingers into the cool water, watching the gentle ripples spread outward. The water mirrors the stillness within his heart. Obatala raises his hand, and divine light flows from his touch, healing and purifying all it touches. Breathing deeply, he draws the calm of the earth into his being, and the air shimmers with purity. As he moves, light follows, illuminating the path for those seeking peace and wisdom. Obatala begins a slow, rhythmic dance, clearing the air, land, and hearts around him. The creatures of the forest are drawn to his calming presence, and a circle of light forms around him, growing brighter with each step. Sitting in quiet meditation, he connects with the universe, and divine light pours from him, bringing clarity and peace. A cool breeze spreads through the land, a reminder of his purity. With a gentle gesture, he invites the heavens' blessings, standing humble and empowered beneath their light. Each step he takes leaves a trail of light, guiding and protecting all. As the sun sets, Obatala stands at the valley's edge, his arms wide, knowing the world he touched has been purified,